Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm going to take you the behind the scene and show you exactly how I use AI to create this stunning design. This stunning design is for someone that wanted to start up his clothing brand. And the crazy part is that the person told me that I created this thing free, but the person told me that he created this and make some money from it. I was like, that is crazy. So this is where the person sent me his information, like the name of the clothing, the name of the brand and the types of ways that he wants. Though he sent me the style, but I have a different style that I want to do for the person. So the first thing I did was to head over to my browser and I log into my ChatGPT. So this is our first conversation here. This is what I actually first sent to ChatGPT. I said, I want to generate a design for my business, but I want you to generate a prompt for me to generate. But before you generate the prompt, I would like to share a sample of the type of design I need, and I want to also share my information that will be included in the design. Should I send the sample and information before the prompt generation? So the next thing, I come down and read what I wrote again. Then after that, then I send the ChatGPT. Then it asks me to send the sample, and this is the sample I want to create. So after that, then I also send this sample of clothes. These are the clothes that I want to be include. I wanted to include in the information. Then I wrote some information also with including the phone number. Then after that, I send it to ChatGPT. So the next thing is this is where it creates the prompt. So this is the prompt I would like to use in order to create those stunning design using another AI. So the thing is that I'm going to just copy it. So after copying it, then I will head over to this AI. So to get this AI is that go to your browser and type Google Whisk. When you type Google Whisk, then enter this first this first one, tap on it. When you tap on it, it's going to pop you up here. Then tap on Browse Gallery. After tapping on Browse Gallery, if you are new to this, it's going to ask you to log in with your email, but I'm going to tap on Enter Trial. So it's going to pop you up to this page like this. So now let's get back to it. Now this is where I paste the prompt. After pasting the prompt, then I sat down and read it very well and make sure that everything is correct. Then after that, I tap on this icon here, over here. Then I tap on it. Then after tapping on it, then it's created. Normally it's going to create two this thing for you. So all this one was the design I made, and save it, then send it to the person. Before generating the image, make sure that the prompt you are putting is well correct, because this is AI. Anything you give is going to give it back to you. That is AI. So the next thing I'm going to tell you is that I want to generate another one now. Then I'm going to tap on this button again. So when you tap on that, earlier that I told you, it's going to generate just two. So as you can see, it has generated two. So these two that it's created, in order to save it, this is how you are going to save it. But before you save it, make sure that look at it. Is it correct? Every information, number and other things, is it correct? If it is correct, then you can go with it. But if it is not correct, then tap on send again. It's going to generate new ones for you. Can you see how crazy this AI tool is? So guys, I want you to go and try it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on the image, then tap on, there's one icon over, just tap on the image, then there's this icon over here which is saved, then tap on it. Then after tapping on it, then tap on download. Then after that, it's going to download the design for you. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe for more updates like this. Thank you for watching.